To get your first job on Upwork, start by creating an account. If you're unsure about the sign-up process, you can find helpful resources to guide you through it. Once your account is set up, complete your profile. This will allow you to access a list of job openings that match your skills and expertise. You can sort these jobs by best match or most recent, and also search for specific job openings. When you find a job that suits your skills and experience, click on it and select the Apply Now option. You will then be taken to a page with details about the job, including the level of experience required, project length, and skills needed. You'll also have the opportunity to propose your terms, including how you want to get paid, the number of milestones, and the project duration. Additionally, you can enter a cover letter and attach relevant documents to support your application. If you want to boost your proposal, you have that option as well. Keep in mind that each job application requires a certain number of connects, which are essentially tokens that allow you to apply for jobs. By default, you have 50 connects, and each job application will use a portion of these. For example, applying for one job might use 16 connects, leaving you with 34 connects to use on other job applications. Once you successfully land a job, you will have secured your first job on Upwork. Completing these steps and following the application process will help you achieve your goal of getting your first job on the platform.